Okay, here's a proper one. Beautiful, and 5 hours build or renovate. I didn't build, I renovate. Okay, so we're gonna go in through the garage because first thing that I did, build this sick home gym. Just gonna close that. See if you're working out, you can just close it. I'm like, do you even lift, bro? I don't know if you do. But we don't actually have, which is kind of funny. But here's your little gym rack and of course treadmill. Got some kettlebells and dumbbells and a foam roller. I think you're supposed to climb this, push-ups or pull-ups or some shit. And then a Pilates ball. And then you go up this nice set of steps here. It's a nice view of the backyard. From the lovely new installation window that I put in. All right, close that behind us. This is sort of like your entryway. I've got some shelving there, some nice little, I don't know what those are. And then this bathroom is very blue. I'm realizing that now. But you know, just a little side bathroom. There is no door. You cannot close the door to this bathroom. That's a problem. You know what we can do here? Watch this. Okay, we're gonna go to. I think you can get sliding doors. Yeah, I might put a door on considering I'm here. That feels a little bit silly. Sliding door. Okay, watch. We're gonna make this really awesome. So what we're gonna do is and we'll put in, I think this one. Yeah, whatever. Then, oh god, it interrupts my location. Get in here. Get in here. I don't think it likes it. Doesn't seem to like it. That just, okay. Well, you know what? We'll just put our doors kind of the wardrobe door. Okay, no. What about you? At this point, I just want a door. Give me a door. That door doesn't fit either? Well, what freaking doors fit, brother? Oh, that's kind of not there. Alright, it's green, but we don't care. Okay. And then, this is like where I feel like you don't really need a door. Alright, so then this is your lovely wall. Okay. In here, this is the front entrance. This would spaces for your coats and your shoes. A little lovely laundry mat here. Walk through here. This kitchen, I'm kind of obsessed with, even though it's like ugly colors. I just love that it's ugly. And like this retro fridge, come on. It's pretty great. And then, you know, you have your little breakfast bar, a place that you can do chops and all of that. And then, you know, it's not the best because like, it's a small house, okay? There's no place to really watch TV, but like I put this big TV here, so like breakfast and TV storage. I think that's nice. And then go to the base. Oh wait, I have to do that. This is another bathroom. Again, just kind of a small guy, but I do like the I was able to, and I just love this tile. Really nice. Which scale? I have these in real life. Okay, that goes downstairs, but I do want to show you the bedroom. So this is my botanical inspired room. I've got Monstera wallpaper, lovely candles, a nice clock, bed, and then over here we have some more, like a nice wardrobe where you can put shit in, and pretty that stuff. Okay, so basement's the go downstairs, and this is like a full basement, so like another person could here. This could totally be a rental unit, which is had in mind. I hate these stairs. I couldn't change them when I was there. But yeah, you've got a sick L-shaped setup. You've got a TV with video game system. You've got arcade. You've got Dungeons and Dragons, and you've got Crabble. I was gonna put more board games. They don't give you a lot of options. And then just another little bathroom. A little dark. It's because I don't have a light on. Is there a light in here? There is a light. Ah, there we go. So yes, this bathroom is just pretty plain, but you know, it's a basement. And this is the second bedroom. So I love hers. And you've got I think this is the same bed I had upstairs. And then you got a bookshelf, a nice little lamp, a nice little wardrobe here in the corner, and a whole work from home setup because obviously we're doing. So, and then you have your own kitchen, complete kitchen. Only thing I think I do have a dishwasher, and then one of these was a refrigerator, but I think I actually deleted it because it didn't fit. So you don't have a refrigerator. I guess I could put one there. You know what? I might actually do this. We go here and we go into appliances. There's like a fridge. Spell that right. Fridge. So you got these like little ones that you can just tuck off, or you can just like do that. So like kind of blocking might just be the way it has to be. Or what I could do is sell this. So you don't get a laundry hamper. What you do get in exchange is a nice little refrigerator. That's important. And now that's not gonna happen. You know what? That's fine. Just shove these. I guess can I stack these? Over there for a second. Yeah, I'm like, oh, Ken. Okay, here, we figured it out. No, never mind. Did not figure it out. That's fine. This person's just gonna have to deal with the fact that they live in a small place. I don't know, that's their problem. Okay, then that would be like, it has its own entrance, so you could totally rent that out. Here's the backyard. Here's the bicycle. I thought was cute. And then you have this little, like, you can swing and look at your fire. And there's a nice bird bath. I left this here. I don't know how to pick it. This is the backyard. It's nice. It's a nice flower. Too. And then we go back to the front. So, like, that's the official tour. I think this house is sick. I would live in this house. It has everything you need. I don't think I've forgotten any rooms. I mean, there's 2 places to do laundry. We have many bathrooms. Beautiful kitchen. There's not much TV. Seems like, I don't know. Not a big deal. Maybe we don't watch too much TV. Well, thank you for taking my journey with me. 5 hours of my life, guys.